actually really do updated rosters, so I had to install one that was from the community. But that does not change anything. So, Kitty. Okay, so back to what I was saying. Our wide receiver number one, newly acquired, Jalen. '97 speed, '97 acceleration. His stats are really good. So shout out to Jalen Waddle because he's a beast. Now we move over to Mr. All Reliable Cortland Sutton. He's 29, superstar dev. One problem about him is that he is 26,000 XP. And he needs 28,000 XP to upgrade him. That's the one bad thing about Cortland Sutton. Now you also have Troy Franklin. Troy Franklin's Troy Franklin and Bo Nix's teamwork is pretty good, and he has tons of potential. The only knock on him is he's horrible net, which we can still develop him. And now we go over to Mims, Mr. Kick Return Specialist. He's 23, out of Oklahoma, star dev. He's just a beast. So, yeah. Now we move over to Evan Ingram. Now, Evan Ingram is not in his prime. He's not the same. He's 30 years old and he's 78 overall. Nothing too bright. Now we move over to, or I guess we also have Adam Troutman, 28, 71 overall, normal dev. He's not good. He's not going to develop. He's just washed. And now we got Justin Jolly. Now we are going to start him because he's a 21 rookie, 70 overall star or normal dev. Oh, every rookie is normal dev because. So him and Jonah Coleman is going to have to cook. So we would do that. RJ Harvey starting. Jonah Coleman is going to be second. Or first, actually. And now we move on to the only other bright piece on this offense. Pat Bryant. He's able to develop. The only concern about him in real life is injuries, and that's really what's gonna affect his career. But in Madden, there is no such thing as injury prone and all that. Especially throwing off injuries. We're not going to do that because we got to turn this into a really, really realistic rebuild. But 95 overall, Quinn Miners is the star of this offensive line. Knowing that he's also young and his pass block, run block, all that is really good. He's just not really a pass blocker. Now, Luke Wattenberg. He's 27. There's really nothing too crazy about him. 78 star dev, 27 years old. Cool. Now we're going over to Ben Powers. The trade with Baltimore, or he came to Baltimore. I don't know. Probably a free agent, or they trade. But 75 overall, normal dev sucks. He's gonna be washed. Now Garrett Bowles. I really like Garrett Bowles. He's 96 overall, but he is 33 overall. If you know Madden, he's about to start progressing really, really, really quick. So that's the offense. Also, we also have Jonah Coleman, 22, rookie, Washington. We need him to win Offensive Rookie of the Year or Justin Jolly. Now defense. Now, defense is where this team takes over. Brandon Jones will start at the safeties. Brandon Jones, 27 years old, 83, start dev. He's not going to develop, so yeah, he's kind of mid. Okay, so now we move over to strong safety. Talongo Hufunga, 25 years old, 88 overall star dev. He's going to become a beast. That's quite obvious. And now we move over to the linebacking room, which is not the greatest. Nick Bonito is a beast, 25 years old. During his start of the career, did not really do anything, but for the last 2 to 3 years, he has been on fire. I need to stop dropping this mic. So, now we move over to Drew Sanders. Now, Drew Sanders, 23, 71 overall, 4,000 XP. He just upgraded him. He's going to be a decent with the the release of Dre Greenlaw. Now we got Alex Singleton. 31, 7 years. He's probably going to be like one of the, or he's been in the league for 7 years. 84, and it costs him 56,000 XP to level him up. We are at him. We're going to add him to trade block because we are able to probably get some decent trade value for him. Hopefully. So with J.K. Dobbins, we're just going to add you to trade block. So while we're doing that, while EA's UI, user interface, sucks. Okay, so RJ Harvey, we didn't really cover him. He is 24, but he is hidden dev. So, J.K. Dobbins is only 26. I thought he was older. Whatever. Let's move on. Alright. Now defense. Now this defense is, again, pretty good. The heart of soul and of this defense, Patrick Surtain, 25 years old, 97 overall, superstar X Factor. He is the heart and soul of this defense. Now we move over to John A. Barron. I don't know why they have him as an 86 overall. He's an 86 overall across the board. Hidden dev, rookie, Texas. With decent stats, he's going to be a beast. So with that being said, I'm not really going to cover the defensive line because there's really nothing interesting at the defensive line besides Zach Allen. He's been on that aging side of 28. We get 2 years of him until he progresses. So with that being said, with the still look Denver Broncos, let's just go and sim. That's all we're going to do. We're going to sim to mid-season. We don't even need it, or I guess we get sim next week. We'll get trade values for trades for Mr. Alex Singleton. So, upgrade players. So John A. Barron did gain an upgrade token. Pretty nice. Tyreek Hill. Oh, I forgot about the freaking free agents. Tyreek Hill of the Bagels, though. That's a little bit scary. Well, yeah, let's go look at free agency. I will see you guys in the next part. But yeah, that's just me looking over this team.